you know, these people always put me at a disadvantage, deliberately, because they know me bright, right? So, my co-host is one of Jamaica's best storytellers. So, I'll be the smart gentleman and let her start this challenge off. We'll take turns to tell a story based on the pictures that pop up on screen. Okay. Hold on now, Kadeen. So, Kadeen, is the two of us telling the same story, or I must tell my story and she tell?
You're continuing the story.
Continuing the story. All right, go on now. Are you going to come with some rubbish? We know already.
No, I'm going to come with a great story. See there?
What?
Once upon a time, there was a little boy with a football. Look how that nice.
Uh-huh. We know what? Well, he couldn't play outside because it looked like there was a, what do you call it, the tornado thing? A tornado. A tornado heading his way.
And all they asked them see the tornado too, because they asked them run out of Cayman's Park and them reach a New Kingston.
Well, they thought they had swimming in New Kingston, but there wasn't. So they had to go downtown and just jumped in the sea. Yes, man. How was that?
And it looked like they asked them, two them couldn't see. Them just running and want something and bend it up.
They would have gone past and asked them.
No, you pass and ask them, you never pass and ask them. They asked them running and want metal something and bend it up.
Yeah. Oh, all right. So after them bend it up now, they were trying to run away from the law, but got caught by the ankle.
They asked it. No, sir. That story I got.
No, and the boy them, I used to them with the ass.
Okay.
Eh?
But one of them get where? And him say, Gungo peas. Oh, me a pass them policeman, you know. Me I forgot disguise myself. Yeah, so I put on a big piece of bread over his head.
A big piece of
bread.
Oh, and then the sharks in the bread and trying to get the bread, dive out of the sea, and end up in a man's house. We're glad when you get those.
After the shark diving at the house now, the woman come home and she said, "Me not clean this." And she just go out the door and she just sit down and say, anything what more for this happen, me not
Eh? So the man see the naked lady sit down there and say, "Oh Lord, I don't want my wife like soft man wife catch me." So make me hide my face so she don't think I'm looking at the naked woman. Khalid, where you get them things from?
But his wife catch him a look. And she say, "Watch me and you." And him say, "Yo, you see before me that woman you beat me in a public and shame me. I bet I'm run through the wall yesterday."
So what is not a man that?
Oh, me glad, son.
So, him run through the wall, never see where him going and lick down the lady, and the lady dropping whatever that thing is. Story done.
Yeah, it need for done.
By the way, the soft man part was true. That part was true. I wouldn't know where they're from then either. Oh God, that was actually fun.
Look if him stuck in a wall.
Yeah, that was actually fun. Thank you, Unique. I'm going to find something for them.
Yeah.
Where you get this storytelling thing from in the first place, by the way? Where that came from?
When we were kids, we just sit around. Always, all people just sit around and chat foolishness.
Who is we?
Me, Pat, Gatti, Michelle, Gill.
You know, as I said, who is we? I was interviewing an artist a long time ago, and he kept saying, boy, we want to do this and we want to do that. So I said, who is we? Well, as the show done, my mother called me. Who is we, Neville? Who is we? She said, on national television. As I say it, I remember, Mama must have just spin over my head. I'm going to say, that boy not learning.
He's still saying
Yeah, that boy not learning.
He's still
All right,
saying
folks,
it.
going to take a break and come back with much more on Smile. Stay with us, please. Who is
Don't
we?
check the wall, it's soft, man.
Soft
Something on the wall.